On today's episode, I know what you're thinking. Is this Ratatouille? Unfortunately, it's not. However, we will be working on a rat today, so let's get cooking.
Up the dice, give it a roll. You never really know which way to go. Feel it inside, feel the spark, lift you up when you're falling apart. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken with nowhere to go, does somebody somebody, somebody, somebody know? Does somebody, somebody, somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? What you are, like what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the dice, give it a roll. Get yourself up when you're left out alone. We think we know it all, we stand 10 feet small, with our head under ground. I think I've seen it all, that I've come so far, but it just got me high till I broke down. Does somebody, somebody, somebody know of a place where your heart doesn't sink like a stone? When you're naked and broken, nowhere to go. Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? Does somebody, somebody, somebody know of a place where the green isn't covered by snow? Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? Does somebody, somebody, somebody know? Somebody, somebody, somebody know.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so really won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Alright, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I basically made a friendlier version than the current Ratatouille. I think it came out pretty cool. There's a few hidden images in this one. There's a couple pretty obvious ones, a couple that you kind of had to look at a certain angle. Originally, I wanted him to say hi or wave hi, but I ended up just making like a little Wolverine claw. You ever gone to like a flea market and they have a couple places where they sell like a bunch of like knives and stuff, and they always, every single one of them, have some type of like little Wolverine claw, along with of course the ninja stars and stuff. Alright, see you guys next week. You guys take it easy, peace out, and have a wonderful day. Whoops, almost forgot, go ahead and subscribe.